Is your Mazda 5 key fob not working? The most likely culprit is a dead battery. Symptoms include the car failing to unlock remotely or the hatch refusing to open. No special equipment needed. Gently flip open the key fob. You will see a seam where the two halves meet. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this seam. Carefully twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. It's designed to split like a clamshell. Avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic. Once open, identify the battery compartment. The Mazda 5 flip key fob typically uses a CR2032 battery, but sometimes a CR2025 or equivalent is used. Note the orientation of the old battery, with the positive side facing up. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pop the old battery out of the compartment. Insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Ensure the case is fully closed to prevent moisture from entering. Immediately test the fob by attempting to lock and unlock the car remotely. A successful battery replacement should restore the remote functions. If the fob still doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation or consider a higher quality battery. Remember, DIY saves money compared to dealership services.